Pressure washing is a lot like painting. Do the detail work first, then you can fill in the rest really easily. Let me tell you what I'm talking about here. Obviously, you can see this fence is filthy, so I'm power washing it, all this green stuff. But go ahead and take the time, do your top first. Do the post. Do the other post on this side, and do the bottom first, and then you fill in the center. So now I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll take this here, and I'm going to do just this post. And now I'm going to do the top, and just the top. And now you can go ahead and do the next post. But don't worry about the front of the next post, because that'll let you know where you left off, and you should see it. But now, besides all the black stuff that I'll have to come back with a brush and some bleach or something to get rid of, I just have to concentrate on the fence itself, and then at the very end I do the bottom strip. And now we'll go and do the bottom. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Do the details first, and then you can worry about the whole center part. Now you might be saying, well, I did a kind of a crappy job here. You can still see marks on it. Well, a couple things. First of all, this fence has got to be 20 years old. And the white vinyl, or any vinyl fence, will get chalky in that if you touch it, your fingers will get white, you know, if you wipe your fingers along it. So because of that, all this stuff likes to grow on it. And you're never going to get it perfect when it gets to be this age. Now you can go in, like I said, with a scrub brush. I'm going to do the top and hit that with some bleach. That'll certainly help. But basically what I'm saying here is don't aim for absolute perfection, because you're going to be standing right up against the fence looking at it. You might say, oh, I missed that spot there, and you try to hit that and it's not coming out. And I got a spot here and a spot here and a spot here and a spot here, and it's going to look terrible by the time I'm done. Nope, because you're going to be sitting on your deck, sitting on your patio, in your pool, whatever, drinking a beer or whatever you drink, and nobody's going to care. You're not going to care. If you have guests over, they're not going to care. And nobody's going to go and say, hey, you missed this little spot over here. It's not going to make a difference. So don't aim for perfection. Just try to get as good of a job done as you can. If this video helped you out, please click the like and subscribe buttons. That lets me know I did a good job making this video, and I can continue to provide them for you. Have a great day.